How to make Indian-style spicy croutons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Enjoy! The ingredients are curry leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, salt, vegetable oil, pepper, red chili powder, 4 slices of bread. Pour 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then pour into a small cup. Peel garlic, then cut into small pieces. After cutting the garlic, smash the garlic.
Chop curry leaves into small pieces.
Take the crushed garlic, chopped curry leaves, salt, pepper, and red chili powder and put them into the vegetable oil and mix it thoroughly.
Take 4 slices of bread and cut it into small pieces. Make it like a square piece.
If you want, you can add mustard seeds for flavor. Put bread pieces in bowl and add your mixture from earlier and mix. Take the bread mixed with oil and place it on oven pan. Place in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Take it out after 5 minutes and add more oil and mix. Put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. Spicy and yummy and crunchy too. Enjoy the cooking! Enjoy the cooking and don't forget to subscribe.